Welcome to Sourdough. You have a favorite bench scraper now, and this one's mine. The company sent me this to try, and this is my favorite bench scraper. The set also came with a dough whisk, also my favorite dough whisk. You have one of these now too if you're doing sourdough. This pastry brush, I don't use this much for sourdough. I use this for other things, so it's always nice to have a pastry brush. I use this for butter and olive oil and other things in my kitchen. And it came with a lame. If you don't have a lame yet, you don't have to have a lame. It comes with one. You can use a sharp knife. I use a lame all the time when I'm using sourdough, so almost every kit comes with a lame though, so there it is. It has a nice little cover on it though. I do like this bench scraper. It is my favorite. I like the way it feels in my hands. It scrapes up the counter really nicely. It's very helpful. I wanted the Danish dough whisk is what I wanted most out of this set. And it's not something you have to have. I do recommend a Danish dough whisk. This one has a nice long handle. It has been really sturdy. I use this once or twice a week, and I've had it about 6 months. Really like having a Danish dough whisk. Check it out for yourself. My favorite Danish dough whisk and my favorite bench scraper. And I have a few of each of these. Have a good day. Bye.